Hello friends and welcome to another tutorial on Geeks4Geeks. In this video, we are going to understand the program which prints top view of a binary tree. First, let us take an example. Top view of a binary tree is the set of nodes visible when the tree is viewed from top. Note that ordering of nodes is not important. Now, let us see the algorithm. Let us also have a sample tree to test our algorithm. We pass the root node, which is 7, to top view function, so root will point to 7. Since root is not null, we create a queue and a map and push the root node along with 0 as horizontal distance to queue. Since the queue is not empty, we take a pair P which point to queue's front, so P will point to 7, 0. Next, we take a node n which will point to P's first, that is 7, and an int val which will point to P dot second, that is 0. Then we pop from the queue, so pair 7, 0 will be popped. We check if horizontal value, that is 0, not in hash map. As it is true, we set m at val to n's data, so m0 will be 7. Next, we print n's data, so 7 will be printed. Then we check if 7's left and right are null. As it is false, we insert 7's left with val minus 1 into the queue and 7's right with val plus 1 into the queue. Since queue is not empty, we continue with the while loop, and now P will point to 6, -1. N points to 6 and val will be -1. Then we pop from the queue. Now we find value in M. As it is not there, the if condition is satisfied and we insert n's data and key value as -1 to map. Then we print n's data, so 6 is printed. Next, we insert the left and right children of n along with val -1 for left and val plus 1 for right. We continue with the while loop as the queue is not empty, so now P will point to 5, 1. N will be 5 and val will be 1. Then we pop from the queue. Next, we find val in M. As 1 is not there in M, we insert n which is 5 and val, that is 1, as key into the map. Then we print 5. Next, we check if 5's left and right are not null. As both are null, the if condition is not satisfied and we continue with the while loop. So now P points to 4, -2. N will point to 4 and val will be -2. Then we pop 4, -2 from the queue. Next, we try to find val in M. As -2 is not there in map, the if condition is satisfied and we insert val as key and n as data into the map. Then we print n, so 4 is printed. Now, as 4's left and right are null, nothing is inserted into the queue and we continue with the while loop. Now, P will point to 3, 0. N points to 3 and val will be 0. Then we pop from the queue. Now, 0 is already there as key in the map M, so the if condition is not satisfied, and as 3's left and right are both null, nothing is inserted into the queue. As the queue is empty, we break out of the while loop and we have the final output. Now let us have a look at the time complexity of the program. This code will run in big O of n complexity, where n is the number of nodes in the given binary tree. With this, we come to an end of this tutorial. For any doubts or suggestions, please leave them in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.